very good afternoon to all. This is the time to have lunch. And see, I am a scientist of plants, environmental science, okay? And I am too much habitual to collecting the forest product. In forest, we have a lot of good ecosystem, and in that ecosystem, we have flower, we have food, we have medicines, we have trees, we have everything we have. And from the dense forest, I had collected this. The name, scientific name of this plant is Bombyx. This is called red cotton silk plant. This is red cotton silk plant, and this is the flower we have. This is not blooming. Here you will see blooming flower. Okay, and the name of this plant is, the flower is red cotton silk. And from this flower, what will happen, the fruit will develop, and in that fruit we have a lot of cotton we have. Okay, so from a red flower we'll get red cotton, from white flower we'll get white cotton. Okay, and this is seems to be edible, and it contain a lot of vitamin we have, antioxidants we have, okay, proteins we have, everything, and minerals also we have. In minerals we have potassium, calcium, everything we have inside it, and this is seems to be edible. Okay, now we are going to cook this as bhezi. Okay, very beautiful red cotton silk flower curry. Okay, let it be tried. So in my pan I had warm this mustard oil we have. Okay, and in that mustard oil, see, I have a lot of spice. So we have red chili, cumin seeds, rock salt, cloves of garlic, then ginger, then this is potato, this is peas we have. Okay, all these are ingredients we are going to cook. Okay, so let's our cooking will start with cloves of garlic, and what to say, this is the ginger we have. This is the ginger and garlic. Okay, now what I will put this cumin seed. This is the cumin seed. Okay, now it seems to be fried. It seems to be fried. It seems to be fried. Okay, it seems to be fried. Okay, it seems to be fried. Okay, let it be fried. Now what I will put, I have a very little bit green peas. Let it be put inside the Okay, now I will put the white potatoes over here. These are the potatoes. Let it be put inside the, let it be put inside it. Okay, now I will put, this is the rock salt. This is the rock salt, let it be put. The rock salt we have. Then we'll put turmeric. Beautiful turmeric we have. Very beautiful turmeric. Very green and beautiful turmeric we have. Okay, and this is the red tikha lal. We need tikha lal to make the ingredients very flavored. Okay, now this is the boiling part. This is the boiling part of that flour. Of that flour means this part. This is the part. Okay, so let it be cooked. Okay, I had boiled it in salt water. In salt water, now I have to put it inside the pan. I am putting it inside the pan. Okay. So let it be put. Let it be put. Now we need some tomatoes. We need some tomatoes. So let the tomatoes will put like that. This is the tomato. Okay, let it be put like that. And now what I will add, this is the oregano. Oregano. So let it be put. Let some oregano will be put it inside the pan, and it seems to be take at least 10 minutes for cooking. Okay, so our cooking will be start, and very delicious and yummy red cotton silk flower vegetable is cooked. Okay, and it is harvested from dense forest. We collected it from dense forest, so this is very fine, very good, and very yummy. Let it be tasted. Okay.